Yes, good morning. That's right. Today, national attention lands on Portage, where the president would have made his visit yesterday had it not been for a snowstorm in Washington. But his trip to Michigan coincides with a larger plan to increase vaccination funding efforts.
It's good to be at the center of the solution.
Dr. Justin Skrinsky acknowledges the state of Michigan's approach to handling COVID-19, starting in Lansing.
I think Michigan has been a pretty much a leader from the start. If you look, we had very aggressive policies about COVID, even from the beginning of the pandemic. We led the way in a lot of the lockdowns, the protective measures, things which really kept our citizens safe.
The Pfizer plant in Portage also playing a pivotal role in the fight to control the virus. It's one of two companies in the country producing the vaccine. The other is Moderna. Pfizer shipped the first vaccines in the country from Portage in December. Earlier this week, during a town hall on CNN, President Joe Biden pledged there'd be enough doses to vaccinate all Americans by midsummer.
By the end of July of this year, when we came into office, there was only 50 million doses that are available. We have now, by the end of July, we'll have over 600 million doses, enough to vaccinate every single American.
Also today, the president plans to meet with G7 leaders, where he's anticipated to pledge $4 billion for a vaccine program. Dr. Skrinsky says hopefully that's met with the capacity to increase the speed of the process.
As long as the pandemic continues, we're still going to see sick patients. We're still going to see deaths from a pandemic. So if we can expedite that, any help that we can get is very important, especially now with the new administration in place. We're getting more and more help from the federal government, which I think is very useful in terms of not only rolling out more doses, but also aiding and distributing them.
It's unclear if Governor Whitmer plans to join the president on his tour in Portage. Reporting live this morning, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.
We're certainly proud of all of those scientists, all of the people who've worked so hard there here in our state on this virus, on this COVID vaccine. Thank you, Darren.
Yeah, really important work.